Hey guys, my name is Martin and today's episode of Quick Tip series will be about multi-camera editing. This technique will be really handy for you if you are a wedding filmmaker, for example, if you shoot interviews or if you shoot any kind of videos when you are using multiple cameras at the same time. So since this is the quick tip video, I will go straight to the point for you, so let's jump right into Premiere. Okay, so here we have a small part of wedding ceremony I've shot recently. I have here two camera angles and one audio clip that is actually audio from efficiency lavalier. So to create a multi-camera sequence, first thing we need to do is to synchronize all of these clips together. However, you need to make sure that each clip is in its own separate layer. Now you can select all of your clips in your timeline, right-click your selection and hit synchronize. In this little window, make sure that the audio is checked and just hit OK. Premiere will automatically analyze and synchronize all of your clips together. In next step, we can remove the original audio from our clips and also get rid of all empty tracks. Next, right-click your sequence and select New Sequence from Clip. This will create a new sequence based on the main sequence where you have synchronized all of your clips. So as you can see, we have created a new sequence with only one clip, and this clip contains all of your synchronized clips from previous step. To enable the multi-camera editing option, right-click this clip, go to multi-camera and hit enable. Well, nothing happened so far because we need to toggle a certain view to enter the multi-camera editing mode. You need to search for this little icon here, and if you don't have this icon on this panel, just click this plus button, search for the icon and basically drag this icon onto the panel. Now we are in the multi-camera editing view. On the left side we have all of our camera angles, and the right side shows you how your finished multi-camera edit will look like. All you need to do now is just hit that spacebar and let the sequence play. Whenever you want to change the camera angle, just hit 1, 2, 3 or 4 on your keyboard, or just click on that particular camera angle. Well, that's it for today, guys. I really hope that this video will help you and that it will actually save you a lot of time editing. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel because it really makes a difference for me, and I will see you next time.